Here we are, good people, at the Mzanzi Harley-Davidson dealership in Fourways for the start of a very unique motorcycle event. Actually, this is one of the starts of many all over South Africa, all over Africa, and more so, all over the world of a unique motorcycle event. This is the Ubuntu Run, the 9th Ubuntu Run. It's been running since 2016 and was begun by a group of bikers who are trying to create more unity among the various demographics of bikerhood. There was much discussion when eventually it was decided that instead of talking, they should simply just ride. And so the first Ubuntu Run happened, with bikers from every background getting together and basically just going for a ride. Like all events, it started small with a few bikes, but has grown over the years. Not only has the Joburg event grown, but it has sprouted more events, with Ubuntu Runs happening on the last Sunday in January in every province in South Africa. That's impressive, but it gets better, because not only has it grown in South Africa, but all over Africa, with 11 African countries now taking part, right from South Africa to Egypt. And it gets yet better, because for the past 2 years, Portugal in Europe has hosted an Ubuntu Run too. It will get even better, because there are talks about places in the USA also soon hosting Ubuntu Runs. The word Ubuntu is present in various African language and is roughly translated as humanity, although it is considered more of a philosophy regarding the interconnectedness of individuals in humanity. So it's a jolly apt word to describe this event, where bikers from all walks of life get together and celebrate a love of biking. The 2025 Joburg event attracted somewhere close to 2,000 bikes that were gathered across 4 different parking lots around Mzanzi Harley-Davidson. In the morning, everybody gathered, greeted, and had a jolly good time. There were various groups and clubs from all over taking part, including the M109R Boulevard riders, who pitched up in a stunning display of different Suzuki boulevards. Also present, taking up an entire parking lot on their own, were the Crusaders Motorcycle Club, who gathered in their hundreds. The Crusaders have been avid supporters of the Ubuntu Run for years, and were present not just here at the Gauteng Run, but all Ubuntu Runs throughout the country. It wasn't just local support, but there were riders from Angola, Uganda, and all over who had come over to attend this run. Likewise, South Africans also headed over to various countries to take part in their runs. This is truly a gathering of different cultures, and it's all put together by a committee who have no financial gain from the event. It's all strictly volunteer based. Eventually though, it was time for the ride to set off, with police motorcycles aptly on standby to keep traffic at bay. The start venue changes every year, with a different hosting bike shop serving as a set-off venue. This is to spread the love, so to speak. The end venue is also different every year, going to different places of culture, from townships to agricultural centres to even the Voortrekker Monument. Each year is a different experience. This year headed to an end venue in Westnaria, with a McDonald's restaurant having to make a couple thousand burgers. With the mass of bikes eventually reduced to a trickle, this marked the end of the start venue of Ubuntu Run 2025. For more information on this event and future information on the next Ubuntu Run happening in January 2026, search the Ubuntu Run Facebook page.